Faceless YouTube channels are everywhere. Some claim they make thousands per month. Others disappear after a few uploads. So the real question is, how much money can a faceless YouTube channel actually make? In this video, we're breaking down the numbers, realistically, using CPM data, niche examples, and growth timelines. No hype, just math. YouTube pays creators through ad revenue. This is calculated using CPM, cost per thousand views. CPM varies by niche and audience location. For example, finance and business channels often see CPMs between $15 and $35. General entertainment may average $3 to $8. Audience geography matters. Views from the US, UK, Canada, and Australia typically generate higher ad revenue than many other regions. So income depends less on views alone, and more on niche plus audience quality. Let's run 3 realistic scenarios. Scenario 1. A small faceless finance channel averaging 50,000 views per month. Assume a conservative $15 CPM. That equals $750 per month before YouTube's cut. After YouTube's 45% share, that's roughly $400 per month. Scenario 2. Mid-sized channel with 300,000 monthly views. At a $20 CPM, that's $6,000 gross. After YouTube's cut, approximately $3,300 per month. Scenario 3. Established channel generating 1 million monthly views. At $25 CPM, that's $25,000 gross. After revenue share, around $13,750 monthly. These are not viral numbers. These are sustainable performance numbers in strong niches. Ad revenue is only one layer. Most successful faceless channels add affiliate marketing, digital products, sponsorships, newsletter monetization. For example, a 300,000 view finance channel could generate $3,000 from ads, $2,000 from affiliate tools, $1,500 from a digital product. Now you're looking at $6,000 plus monthly, and that's from one structured content asset. Here's the part most people skip. It usually takes 6 to 12 months to reach monetization levels like this. The first 3 to 6 months often generate little to no income. Consistency matters. Topic selection matters. Thumbnail strategy matters. Most failures are execution failures, not model failures. So how much can a faceless YouTube channel make? Anywhere from a few $100s per month to 5 figures monthly, depending on niche, audience geography, and execution. It's not automatic, but it is scalable. The difference isn't luck, it's structure. This is Venture Blueprints. Subscribe if you want to build digital assets with real numbers behind them.